Here I've got CYRUS CS40, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, then tap on the More icon, go to the settings, and now click on Call-in accounts. Here go to your SIM card, which is Play in my case, and now click on voicemail. And you can smoothly change the sound of your voicemail by tapping on Sound. And here, let's come with all the ringtones that you can apply. I will just volume it up a bit so you can hear it clearly. And then just pick the one that you like the most, tap on OK, and this is how you can change sound in your voicemail. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.